I have shown several types of SSDs for computers, with various formats and storage capacities, to build a good computer. But today, we'll see the specifications of another NVMe SSD with lots of potential. But first, subscribe to the channel because I bring new products every week. M.2 SSDs have become the most important component for computer performance, as they offer higher speeds and greater durability, making it ideal for portable computers and desktop computers. These M.2 SSDs are small modules that are mounted on the computer's motherboard with a high-speed PCIe Express interface, capable of reaching speeds above 10 GB per second, and this speed improves your computer's performance and increases your productivity. But let's see the specifications of this SSD. This is the Samsung 990 Pro NVMe Gen 4 MLC 2280 SSD with an M.2 format, PCIe Express 4.0 interface, capable of reaching a reading speed of 7,450 MB per second and writing speeds of 6,900 MB per second. With the memory type v-nand MLC, it can have up to 4 TB of storage capacity and guarantees 1,200 TB written, expected to last 1.5 million hours of use. This SSD has a length of 80 mm and weighs 9 grams. With a PCIe Express 4 interface, capable of reaching speeds of 7,000 MB per second, this is a very good SSD, ideal for most people. But it also has a higher price than normal. But you can find other slower SSDs that are cheaper, or even faster SSDs with a PCIe Express 5 interface capable of reaching speeds above 10 GB per second. But now I just need the SSD to be delivered, so I can do the file read and write speed tests to confirm that this SSD really reaches the speed promised by the manufacturer and that the capacity is real. But I explain how you choose an NVMe SSD for your computer. There are 4 important characteristics when choosing an SSD: speed, capacity, memory type, and the module length. The speed of the M.2 SSD depends on the PCIe Express interface version. The PCIe Express 3 version can reach file reading speeds of 3,500 MB per second, while PCIe Express 4 can reach 7,000 MB per second and PCIe Express 5 up to 12,000 MB per second, or 1.2 GB per second. The PCIe Express Gen 5 SSDs need a heatsink because of the very high speeds. Another characteristic is the storage capacity, because normally an SSD can have capacity between 500 GB and 4 TB. You must choose the SSD with the capacity you need, but the more capacity it has, the more expensive is the SSD. The type of memory is also important. An SSD can have flash memory of the type MLC, TLC, or QLC. In summary, QLC memory is cheaper but will wear out more quickly, while MLC memory is more expensive but it's more durable. The other characteristic is the size of the SSD module, because an M.2 SSD can have a format of 2230, 2242, or 2280. The most common size is 2280, which is 22 mm wide and 80 mm long. Therefore, you should check your computer to confirm which size is compatible. I hope you like this video, because I want to help you to choose the best SSD for your computer, to build a good computer or to upgrade your current computer. But now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Give a like to this video to help the channel grow, and if you have any questions, write in the comments.